Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're heading out to the stunning Blue Mountains for an unforgettable adventure.
So if we go further around the left, you come to the information centre, which also sells souvenirs. And we go further around.
One of the easiest and most relaxing ways to explore this beautiful region is by taking the hop-on hop-off bus. It's perfect if you want to see all the highlights at your own pace, no rush, just pure enjoyment. Our journey begins as we enter a world of fresh mountain air, lush greenery, and breathtaking views. The ride itself is already part of the experience, with scenic lookouts along the way.
Yeah, take a look down. Because actually straight away, folks, we're looking down at our highest point today, 270 meters all the way down that way. It's about 880 feet all the way down. If you have looks at half meters, so you can make it, it's alright. Also about double the height of Scenic. Big fat soft flat soap in the middle. And then three sisters back left corner as well. And then front left corner there is Orphan Rock. Same color, check it out.
One of our main stops is Scenic World, where you can ride the famous cableway and take in incredible panoramic views of the valley. It's truly a must visit when you're in the Blue Mountains. After the ride, we explored the exciting Dinosaur Valley. Walking through the forest, it felt like stepping into another world with life-sized dinosaurs hidden among the trees. It's such a fun and unique experience, especially for families and anyone who loves a bit of adventure.
house of neighbours, which was one of the tiniest ever found. Some even had feathers.
Yeah, no worries. So Skyway is coming back now. We'll go again. After this couple car, then we'll do one more after that. Right. So Skyway, you're going to do 2 more trips, okay?
So when we exit here, how we get to there? Right, thank you so much.
From the Cableway, you can see the most iconic waterfalls in the region. Katoomba Falls, which is a cascading multiple tiers into the Jameson Valley. We continue hopping on and off, exploring different spots, soaking in nature, and discovering hidden gems along the route. Every stop offers something unique, from quiet bushwalks to stunning lookout points. What makes this experience so special is the flexibility. You can take your time, explore what interests you most, and simply enjoy the journey. Next, we head over to the peaceful and picturesque Leura Falls. Leura Falls offers a more tranquil experience. Surrounded by lush greenery and walking tracks, the gentle flow of water over the rocks creates a relaxing atmosphere that feels like a hidden paradise. So if you're planning a trip to the Blue Mountains, I highly recommend trying the hop-on hop-off bus. It's convenient, fun, and a great way to see everything without the stress. Thanks for watching, and see you for my next adventure.